Hello friends, I am Arush and welcome to my channel Shiv Education, and today we are going to learn domestic or pet animal names. I know that this video is going to be very helpful to you, so don't forget to watch it till the end. At the end, you will have a practice of how many names you can remember. Let's start. Are you ready? Dog, dog. Cat, cat. Goat, goat. Sheep, sheep. Chicken, chicken. Rooster, rooster. Donkey, donkey. Horse, horse. Camel, camel. Cow, cow. Buffalo, buffalo. Rabbit, rabbit. Rat, rat. Goose, goose. Yak, yak. Llama, llama. Guinea pig, guinea pig. Hamster, hamster. Pig, pig. Here are all the animals that we have learned in this lesson. This time, try to remember all the animals' names. Rewatch the video to check how many you got correct and comment down below how many you got right. If you enjoyed this video, then do like it, subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and keep watching. Bye. See you in my next video.